Social tenants in Dublin's Newmarket Yards apartment complex have hit out at Dublin City Council and Tuath Housing for preventing them from accessing the building's amenities. The residents, who make up 41 of the complex's 413 apartments, are not allowed into its gym, library room, games room, cinema room or sauna, amongst other on-site facilities. One social tenant of the building, speaking on the condition of anonymity, said the two-tier living situation was segregation in a nutshell. The tenant has been in touch with Dublin City Council and Tuath Housing, who manage the social housing aspect of the scheme, but they had been stonewalled. DCC are trying to hide from it. They've already hiked up the rents and they don't want to deal with more stuff, they said. The issue was brought up recently by People Before Profit councillor Hazel de Nortoon, who condemned what she called the unfair segregation of social housing tenants. Labour councillor Dara Moriarty agreed, saying that preventing social housing tenants from accessing amenities goes against the spirit of Part 5 legislation, under which the homes were acquired by the council. A spokesperson for Dublin City Council said social tenants are unable to access the complex's facilities because Part 5 legislation is specifically focused on housing only. It does not extend to funding for ancillary amenities such as gyms, cinemas or other facilities, it said. Negotiating access to a gym, for example, would fall outside the requirements for social housing, they said, as such facilities are not directly tied to the housing objectives of Part 5. A spokesperson for Tuath Housing said they continue to engage with the relevant stakeholders on this matter.